My name is Kamal Benneki. I'm CTO, Chief Technical Officer in the Intercom, which is a part of the SATEC group in Spain. We are a partner, Cisco partner over 34 years. We started selling Cisco products more than 25 years so far. And we are a major player in the African markets, Moroccan one, and French-speaking countries as well in Africa. We have been offering from a while all the Cisco brand in security. Most of them, and the most important one, were the firewalls. ESA firewalls at the beginning of ESA. Now we are talking about next generation, about XDR as well, and all the application or all hybrid security solution offered by Cisco, including Umbrella, including also on-premise like identity service engine, and all the other solutions, third-party solutions. We have been offering Cisco Security Firewall from the beginning of ESA, which is about more than 20 years. We started offering all of the range of firewalls, including the branch offices, data centers, and all up to until the next generation firewall. Our main objective is to show the customer the added value of Cisco products, how they can tackle all the security issues, all the threats that we are facing today with the cyber security rising or in a daily basis. And this is with Talos, for instance, is something that we promote as well, including all the subscriptions to be up to date. And the Cisco ecosystem in security is very wide, so we can have a really good use cases. At the beginning, the customer used it to implement ESA firewalls mainly for network firewalling in data centers, in branch offices, in all locations, and also in the DMZ. But today, the perspective have changed, and also with the design requirement, the nature of the cloud hybrid solutions leads us to use more sophisticated tools based on the cloud. But we cover all the security aspects from the branch office to the data centers. I think that the Cisco added value using the hybrid solution, using Umbrella, using Duo, it's a combination between an existing firewall systems that only protects or control flows in a daily basis in a normal production environment. But when it comes to security threats, we need to add more components, and this is why Cisco is offering a wide range of products. Is completely handling all the aspects from end to end, from end user with micro segmentation, for instance, with using the ASA, the identity service engine can handle the end user's protection, and at the end, the data center, we have different tools, and this is why we can cover end-to-end solutions. I think the most of one is IPS. It's a feature that's really interesting, so we can tackle the most current attacks. We are also Umbrella with the secure DNS, which is all the threats now is coming from the email servers. We have also the ASA solution to limit the threats coming from ransomware, and combining all of this with Talos provide the most and the best security solution. I think it's a question of performance. Now we're talking about data centers. We are talking about 100 gig capacity, 400 gig capacity, and when it comes to active solution clustering, when it comes to resilience and performance, I think that Cisco should or have to look at this a little bit more further. Yeah, we use it to work with the different vendors based on the customer needs. Customer launch a tender, they have a specification that we need to have a combination of different vendors, which is the best practices in a data center architecture and design. We cannot have more than one level, one vendor, and all the levels, and we should have a combination. And when it comes to different vendors, I think we have Cisco have all the range of products that can handle all the security aspects. When I look at the design, architecture design, the implementation of Cisco firewalls is the best. We have the data center based on Nexus, for instance. We have routing components and all the compliance and architecture design and requirements are met. And we can fit the customer need according to Cisco design guide, validation guide, and we have all the requirements. However, when we look at the security aspect and the guidelines in terms of next generation firewalls, in terms of redundancy in both sides, so different multi-sites, we can have performance better in different vendors in some cases. Now with the bundling mode, with dual licensing, I think this is better now. I think it's better to have one global licensing mode simplified. And this is what is already Cisco did with some kind of bundling. And we have next generation firewalls include a set of features, including next generation firewall, web filtering, emails, also IPS. And this combination offers the best way for customer to manage and operate their operating expense. The ROI, Cisco ROI is, I think it's my, based on my 25 years experience, we are sure at 100% that all the ROI expectations are met with Cisco products. Equipment are strong enough, stable, highly well developed, so we can have equipment we're running for more than 5 years without any outage. Which leads to less reducing costs in operation. In operation, reducing costs in even in the upgrade or replacement, and this is why it's the ROA is expectations are met. Our customer use Cisco firewalls based mainly in data centers, in branch offices, in campus or deployments, but not only in the firewall, in basic firewalling. They use their products on also next generation firewall, which leads to email control, web filtering, and IPS. So we have Cisco firewalling at all the levels, which provide a strongest policy and protection policy. No, I think that Cisco firewall in the deployment is very easy so far. We can, if we have the security track, the technology security track, and with all the learning requirement that we need to deploy and to secure our customers' facilities and networking and architecture. It's not really complicated, but it expects a highly training track, well-defined, well-known, to be really done before going on implementation and going on live. The Cisco firewall stability is, in my opinion, is the best one. We use it to have ESA firewalls running for more than 5 years, and even we made software upgrade. We have very stable platforms providing the high performance without any outage. So customers can rely on Cisco firewall solutions. In daily operation and in daily projects, we have the scalability. The scalability question is very important, and Cisco firewall provide the way of mixing and clustering firewall to enhance the scalability. We can have also many way of doing things to scale, and as the clients grow, we can have the Cisco firewall solution growing as well. The best way to evaluate Cisco products is, first of all, to look at the experience in for instance, the Gartner, which provide really outside lookup at the Cisco products based on customers' feedbacks. But in the daily operation, the best way is to have the product to try it. Try and buy solution is one of the best idea of Cisco teams, security BU, to use the standard buy model. And I think that now all customers, enterprise, service provider, ISPs, are really aware about the Cisco solution. They don't need to go on a different way for doing. They go to purchase based on a specification and technical specifications mainly. I will rate Cisco product solution a scale of 8/10. For one reason, I didn't say 10/10. We have to make better the capacity and the performance in terms of 10 gig interface, 40 gig interface, 100 gig interface, and how much port we have, how much interfaces we have on one appliances. As a Cisco partner over 34 years, our added value is to provide customers with our experience first. So we have worked so far with a different range of products, including the oldest Cisco firewall to the newest one, and we continue promoting them through the design recommendation, capacity specification, deployment, engineering, high-level design, low-level design, migration, go live as well, and maintenance and support, which cover all the life cycle of a product. Our partnership with Cisco is a win-win partnership. Cisco provide us the latest experiences, the latest solution, and on the other hand, we are keeping doing business with Cisco products with our customer. So it is a win-win relationship with Cisco, which leads to enhancing and promoting and upselling Cisco products. I would say to Cisco products managers, go fast in security platforms. Other vendors are going fast as well, and we need product managers to tackle the performance and the capacity issues, which is not really issues in itself, but it's something that can enhance and make Cisco at the first place in these security solutions.